Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Classic 1997 Spice the Tortoiseshell Cat plush. Without further ado, let's go into the review. Here's the eyes, pretty cool. Plastic. And the whiskers are perfect. There's the tag. There's the back of the tag. There's a price tag on it. That's cool. And here's the paws, pretty cool. Here's the tush tag. And flip the tush tag around. It says Thai Ink Copyright 1999. PVC pellets, handmade in China, and the CE logo. Pretty cool. Here we go like this. There's her blue bow right there. Pretty cool. The ears, the paws, face, pretty cool. And the back, and this side, pretty cool. And this side, pretty cool. And go to the front again, this side. Show her down to eye level, right there, and up top, pretty cool. The bottom, pretty cool. And you can actually sit her up like, oh shoot. You can actually sit her up like this too. That's pretty cool. Okay. And like that. Pretty cool. And that's it. Hold on. The eyes. The ears, the eyes. Pretty cool. The mouth. The nose. The whiskers. The paws. And, alright. And pretty cool. Love the beautiful stripes on her. There's the back feet. It's beanie. Pretty cool. There's the cool looking tail. And that's it. Alright guys. That's the quick review on this TY Classic 1997 Spice the Tortoiseshell Cat plush. Alright guys. Bye.